Ma, how long will you continue like this? I've told you to stop it. This mood can just get you ill, and I don't want that for you. Please.
Peter, our parents are dead. We don't have anybody.
That's not true. That's not true. You have me, I have you. We have ourselves. You think you're the only one who is going through this pain? No. It hurts me that we don't have them again. But no matter how much we beat ourselves or try to blame ourselves, they're not coming back.
You know, they suffered so...
It's okay. It's okay, please.
They toiled so hard. They could not even wait to at least reap the fruit of their labors.
That's true. But at least they left us this house and the beautiful memories we shared together.
I miss them.
I miss them too. It's okay.
Look at you all sweaty and worked up.
You're still here.
Yeah. I decided to make breakfast for you. Should I serve you now or serve?
Olivia, I'm still willing to pay you handsomely for your time, so is it the same account, yeah?
Meaning?
Look, it's been a fun ride, but the ride ends here. So just name your price. What is it, 1 million, 2 million?
Chiki, I'm beginning to feel insulted.
Look, this past week has been great, okay? And for what it's worth, you're one girl I've stayed with the longest in recent times, so. But
Chiki, don't give me that it's you and not me, Len. You can't give me what you don't have. You are the impoverished one despite your wealth. See, you're a beggar in disguise, clinging to your coins like a security blanket. Money may be your forte, but trust me, that's a poor substitute to your character. You are a rich man living in a poor man's soul. You may have all the money, but I have character, and that's a currency you can't afford.
fine girl. How are you? See as you fine. Like, have you seen your face? Let me tell you. See the sun, it's not even shining like you. See as you are glittering everywhere.
Peter.
Fineness.
Ejiro, I am broke.
I'm not even asking you for money. What do I want money for? I'm not asking you for money.
Okay.
But it's money, Sha. It's small money. It's not big.
Peter, read my lips. I am broke. Yes.
But at least you hear me out now. It's not as if I'm telling you to, it's just money.
Peter, I am broke now. Can't you hear me? What do you want to use money for?
Thank you for that question. So this money is for business. And this one is a sure deal.
Ejiro.
Sister, if I do this one will pay. I have never done this one before. This one is sure. This one, automatic cash out. Understand me now? Just small money. It's not as if I'm asking you to dash me the money. No, how can I do that? I'm just saying you should give me. I will pay you back as usual.
Peter, the last one you borrowed went safe. Have you paid back? The one you collected the other day, have you paid back?
Hey, Butch, you're my sister now. You're my destiny helper. If you don't help me, how will I survive?
Hey, they play my fans. At this point, your destiny helper is broke.
Close your eyes, let me pray for you. It's that the Bible teaches us to speak into our lives. And at this point, I want to speak life into our lives. Close your eyes, let me pray for you. Father, in the name of Jesus, I decree and I declare that my sister cannot be broke. Father, every poverty lingering around her, Father, take it away. In the mighty name of Jesus, everything that wants to take money from her, Father, remove it. Fill her account with money. In the mighty name of Jesus. Father, Lord, strike her with money magnets that anywhere she goes to, money will follow her. Money will follow her. Money will come to her. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Peter, are you okay? Which one is money should strike me? Money, let it strike you.
It's a good prayer now. If they strike you with money magnets, anywhere you go to, money will follow you.
It should strike you so that you give me money and strike you. Peter, I don't have money. Wait, what do you want? Okay, tell me, what do you want to do with this money?
Okay. It's very obvious that you don't believe in me now. No problem.
But wait, how many of this your rubbish Ponzi scheme will have to fail before you will have sense? Because sure you know it's obvious you don't have sense. You will go sense again in the butcher form. You don't have sense. Yes.
Ma, Peter don't have sense.
Yes. You don't have sense.
It's fine. No problem.
Hey. God. Look at the kind of brother you gave me. My maid they ask for brother, see wetin God carry give me. Peter, food is ready. Peter, I'm talking to you. Who you are they talk to?
See, don't stress me. Just leave me alone.
Wait. Don't tell me you're mad at me for not giving you the money I don't have.
You have it too. Don't even go there. You have that money. Just don't want to give it to me, so I'll continue depending on you. That's what you always do. Yeah, you don't have money. You don't have money.
Peter, you just so that if you walk out on me and you won't eat from my pot again,
yes,
I swear.
Keep your food.
Don't worry, I don't. Ogini, what are you trying to do?
Why did you lock the kitchen door?
I don't understand. Lock the kitchen. What do you want to do inside the kitchen?
No, I want to carry my food though.
Here. I thought you said you are not hungry.
Wait now, where are you going to now? Don't do like that now. Let's see where you are putting key.
Come and take it.
Don't do it.
Chibi said you are not hungry. Eh?
See, Ma, you're not a mean person.
You walked out on me. Peter Ngewan. I told you, you will never eat from my pot again.
Don't say that now. I'm a destiny helper.
Destiny helper will get there.
See, you're not a wicked person. Where are you going to now? To me, I'm hungry. Oh. I'm hungry. Oh. It's not as if I even want this food, but I'm hungry. Oh. But I'll keep person. I'll finish person for this life. I'll kill somebody. I'll kill somebody. Because I'll kill somebody in this place. I'll kill somebody in this area.
Peter, what happened?
God, leave my face. My body, the boy.
Peter, what happened? Did you get into a fight? What happened?
I swear, I'll keep person for this town. If I don't finish person, if I don't keep person for this town, come in.
Peter, can you just shut up and tell me what happened? Did you get into a fight?
Yes. I fought the body. Can you imagine that boy, that small boy of yesterday, challenging me? The body goes surplus.
Hey! Mama and Papa, where are you? This boy has killed me. This boy will go. This boy.
What's this one now? I'm telling you something. What are you talking about, Mama? Which one is Mama and Papa? Which one is this one now?
What did you fight for there? Hey!
I don't understand this one you are doing. Why won't I fight Bode?
Peter, everyone on the street knows how dangerous Bode is. Hey, Peter, are you mad?
So that is the more reason I had to deal with him. That is the more reason I had to deal with him that way. You need to see his face. I butcher him. You need to see his face. The way I gave... See, what you see on my face is not even compared to what I gave to him. You need to see his face. I destroyed him. You want to beat me?
Peter, are you mad or are you trying to be mad? Which one? Wait. The same boy that stabbed his father because of 700 naira. 700 naira!
Sister C.
Is that the same person you got into a fight with,
Relax. Peter? We had a deal. We had a bet. And a deal is a deal. This boy wanted to take my money. For what now? Because Peter, they keep quiet. Peter, the calm guy, they keep quiet. And this guy is trying to play smart with me. Take it easy.
I get out. Shut up.
This thing is paining me. It's painful.
Now why? Why are you doing this to us? Why do you keep getting into trouble? Why? So you mustn't fight everyone that provokes you. You must not. So it's just the both of us. It's us against the world, Peter. The thought of losing you alone makes me scared. Abiko. Please, stop all those things. Just stop. For my sake, just stop.
I'm ready now. I want to start crying. Yeah?
I will not cry. I won't cry for you again. I won't. Because I am tired.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again. What is you know? It's painful.
Sorry.
Peter! You thief, come here! Hey, come here. You thought I'm not going to find out, right? Huh?
Sunday, calm down now.
You collected money from my customers for new gear. And then you disappeared into thin air.
Sunday, no be like that now. If you free me face, I go feel explain, give you now.
Explain what? See, what I need is the money. So I'm going to get the gear from him because he's coming to get the car. Oh, I came to find out why Peter here has not come to the shop for 2 days now.
Yes, shop 2 days. He's a very caring man.
I was actually coming to your shop and I wanted to come and beg on his behalf. He has not been feeling well. You can see his face.
Oh, so sorry. Have you gone to the hospital?
Yes. No, yes. Yes.
See, you need to go to the hospital, okay? Take care of yourself. And then you can take as much time as you can to recover, okay? How long? As much as you can. I'm so sorry, okay? And Ma, do you have wigs, new wigs?
Sure.
Okay, I need 2 for my mom, okay?
Okay.
All right, go get them, okay? Go get them. I really need it.
Let me go. I'm not feeling familiar. Get out. That's really not like that.
Okay.
How many do you want?
Just two. So how much is everything? Are you sure they are not of the same color?
No, they are different colors. This
Okay.
one is wine.
Okay, yeah, I can see. So how much are the wigs? How much?
What do you think about my boss, Sunday?
I don't understand. It's a concern me and your boss.
You're pretending as if you don't like that man, Abi. You don't like that man.
I don't like him. And I'm not even interested in him.
I hear you. See, let me tell you. See that man? That man can actually forget about the debt I'm owing him. All because of you. Means I can just go ahead and tell him that I gave you the money now to buy a few hairs, and that you pay him back later.
Wait. You're in your boss?
Actually, I placed the bet with customers' money and I lost it.
You did what?
It was the work of the devil now. I didn't do it intentionally. Something pushed me. The devil.
Oh, the devil. Wow. You must have been very busy that day. Yes. He worked overtime on that particular day.
Now, these things happen. It's not that serious.
What did I do now? You always like beating somebody.
Hey, God forbid for you.
Is it bad that I told you that man likes you? Did I do anything wrong?
Please take this and make sure you deliver it to the address.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Hello, ma. Okay, you receive your package now. A dispatch rider is coming.
Yeah, so the whole thing can just happen. All I just need is for him to just make the payments. Once the payments are made, I promise you, it will go well. Let me just say the alert. You know what to.
Sorry.
Excuse me, I'll call you back.
The popular TV host.
Okay, hey. Can you back up? Back up a bit. What do you want?
You dropped this.
Oh my God. Where did you find this?
I just said you dropped it.
I hope you didn't steal anything.
Excuse me.
Okay, wait and Sims and talk to you. Hey! I didn't get me. I changed these locks. Fred. Hey.
Hello, brother.
What are you doing here?
Good to see you, brother.
I asked you a question that demands an answer. What are you doing here?
Come on, stop shouting. My head is spinning, alright?
It's fine. When are you leaving? When are you going back to Abuja? Because you are leaving.
Try that, bro. I ain't going nowhere. I'm not giving up on you.
What do you mean you're not giving up on me? What's that supposed to mean?
Okay. See, over the years, you've succeeded in shutting up everyone because your ex-wife cheated on you, your best friend.
Never mention her name in this house. Do you understand?
I love you too, brother. I love you.
What is it with this I love you and kindness that everybody's just saying anyhow? Is it on sale on the shops or something?
Okay.
I mean, you say you love me. Look at you. You're drinking this time of the day, and you know how much I hate it. And yet you say you love me.
I love you, brother.
No, it's fine. At least you're true to yourself.
Yeah, I know, see. You're such a sad young man. But it's all good. I'm here for you. To make you happy. Oh. I'm going nowhere, brother. Good to see you once again.
Stop. Come on, see this. See this car. Check it now.
This is real machine.
No be lie. I know you like it.
Hi! Wait, see the tire. Jesus.
Check out now.
I know this must be on your wish list.
Forget it. This one is not wish again. This one is not anything wish again. This one is reality.
Hey, people have money.
As in, let me shock you. See this car now? This is the car I'm going to fix in the garage.
Oh, really?
And when I'm done fixing it, I'll cruise in it. I'll cruise on with one hand, cruise it around town. Try!
Peter, you're not doing that, Abby.
Sabe, forget this thing. Which one is you're not doing it?
Peter, don't go and crash somebody's car. Peter, I don't have money. Don't.
Why would I crash somebody's car?
Okay.
My Lena. I'm an experienced driver.
Okay,
Oh,
no
cruise.
problem. No problem. I'm telling you, you're not listening to me.
Hello, Oga Sunday. I'm on my way now.
Peter, you know I'm warning you now. You know you don't used to.
Too sweet.
Don't worry. When that sweetness will turn to bitterly, that is when you will know. Him and mad now what give you that and if you like go and bash somebody's car, that one is your business. Hey, Peter. Why is his number not connecting? Hello? Peter, where have you been? Police, give me. Hey! Hey! Oga Sunday, thank God I saw you. I was about coming to your shop.
I know you're about looking for me. It's because of your brother, right?
Yes, please, you need to help me.
That guy got himself into a very serious trouble. That guy bashed one of our biggest customer. He bashed his car. And the thing, do you even know who the owner is?
Oga Sunday.
That guy.
Oga Sunday, please. You just, see, I don't know how you want to do it, but you just need to help me. I beg you in the name of God, please. Please, I beg you.
So, how do you want me to help you?
Okay, just take me to the rich man's place. Let me beg him. Please, I beg you.
Do you have 1.5 million naira?
Ha!
I know you are not. I know you can't. You don't have it. Do you know what? I am going to pay the money and I'll beg him on your behalf. Okay?
Hey! Sunday, thank you. Don't worry, I'll pay you every dime. I'll pay you.
Get up. Okay?
Thank you.
But it's going to be on one condition. Yeah, you know you're a very beautiful girl, right?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, very beautiful. The thing is, I want you to spend the night with me. Is that too much for me to ask?
Wait, is this a joke? Are you mad or are you trying to be mad? Which one?
My dear, I am going to spend a whooping sum of 1.5 million naira. And again, I'm going to beg this man on your behalf. Have I not done much enough to earn a night with you? See, come on, I have been admiring you all this while, and this is an opportunity for me to, have you on my bed,
You want to have me away with this shoe? Eh? Get out from this place.
Your brother was in jail,
Let me just warn you. And in your life, don't you ever mention this kind of thing. Get out.
You know, I've been admiring you. This is an opportunity for me to prove to you that I love you. This is an opportunity.
Get out.
Don't worry, your brother.
Hello, James.
Hi, Sister Uma. Hope you are good.
James, how can I be good when your best friend keeps getting into trouble?
Yeah, we're studying about Peter's arrest, Sister Uma.
James, I want you to do something for me. Can you just help me with the customer Peter bashed his car? Or maybe his house address, anyone at all. I just want to go there and beg. I want to talk to him.
But I will not advise you to do that, especially if you don't have the money, because that man is mean. But all the same, I'll text you the number.
Okay, please, just do. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yes, thank you very much. I do appreciate. Yes, bye. Your brother will be released soon.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. You don't know how much this means to me. Thank you very much.
Okay, don't get excited, okay? Your brother cost me $1.5 million, and I'm going to collect double of that. Do you understand?
I promised to pay everything. I promised to clear up his debts. Oh, I can't do what you're about to ask of me.
What do you think I'm about to ask of you? Don't flatter yourself, okay? I don't live with pigs. My butler is away for some months. You are going to replace her. And then your brother will be my gate man for the next 7 months until the debt is paid. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Good. Now get out.
I'm sorry now. When are you going to stay mad at me?
You need to stop apologizing to me. Yes, you need to stop it. You just need to mean it. Mean your apologies for once.
But I mean it now. Okay, how do you want me to apologize? How do you want me to say it so that you know I'm very sorry
Peter,
this time?
I'm exhausted. I am so exhausted of cleaning your mess, Peter. God, you're a full-grown man, Peter. Can you just act responsible for once? Just for once. Use this balls God gave you. Use it for once. Oh, okay, Cable.
I've apologized. So I've said I'm sorry. These things happen. It's not as if I did it intentionally. And it's not always intentional. It just happened.
Peter, you're my brother. My only brother, and I love you. But I'm human too. And you keep pushing and pushing me. Everybody has a limit. And you keep pushing me. Very soon you push me to my limits. But I promise you, one more trouble from you, Peter. Just one more. Then I'm done. Please stand up from my couch. For you're just coming back from the cell. You're dirty. Go in, freshen up, pack your bags. We need to start work tomorrow.
Which work?
Oh, you think your freedom is free, right? Huh? No, my love. You need to work for it. I am waiting.
This place is fine. So this is beautiful, beautiful things. Fine house.
Peter, the second I go for you, eh? Keep that to yourself.
Listen to your sister. Don't mind.
Good morning, sir.
Did you guys take your bath before coming here? Something stinks in here.
Good morning, Zachiki.
What is good about the morning, Ma? I said, what is good about the morning? Where's my breakfast?
I'm sorry, let me quickly
Get back. What is your duty in this house?
To work as your butler, sir.
So is it that you don't understand the role, or you're just slow? Part of your duty is to make sure that food is ready by the time I get down. Not when you decide to roll out of bed.
Sorry, sir.
You're not sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for myself, actually. If this happens again, your brother is going back to prison. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Ma! Ma! Did you clean this place today?
Yes, sir, I did.
So what is this? Are you slow? Or stupid or just good for nothing? Which is it? I told you I want this place to be spotless, not half-assed. What is wrong with women? All you know how to do is beg men for money you can't earn for yourself.
Sir.
Shut up! You will clean it again. Do you understand?
Ma, just calm down. Calm down. Breathe in and out. You can do it. You've dealt with people like him before. You can do this. Think of your brother whom you love so much. You can do it. I can do it. Where is the dust? I can't deal with this.
Thank you. Your food wasn't bad. Yes, you're not useless after all.
Sorry, do you need anything else?
No.
Okay.
Where are you going to? I haven't dismissed you yet. Sit.
Sorry.
Sit down. So, tell me about yourself. Look, Ma, for us to work together, I have to be comfortable with you. Right now, I don't know anything about you. I know your name is Ma, but that's all. So, tell me about yourself.
Tell me what you want to know, sir.
Your family, where you're from. Let's start there.
Aside from me and my brother being full-blown orphans, there is nothing else to know. I miss my parents so much. They did a lot for my brother and I, but life took them away and denied me the chances of doing same for them.
Look, I know it might be overwhelming for you right now, but things get easier with time.
You look like you can relate to all of this. You know, I notice you're always sad.
We're done here. You're dismissed.
Sorry, sir. Did I say anything wrong?
No, you didn't. We're done. You can go. Come in.
Sorry. Sir, please, can you help me? Can you help me take my brother to the hospital? Please, he's dying. He's not breathing. Sir, please. Sir, did you hear what I said?
Yes, I heard you. Can I at least wear my shoe first?
I walk into the room and I feel all alone. Oh no, you don't even look my way.
Are you still crying? You know he's going to be okay, right? The doctor said it was a bad asthma attack.
You don't understand, sir. He's all I have.
It's going to be fine, Ma. If you keep crying like this, you're going to give yourself a headache.
I just want to be wanted, to feel like I belong here. Don't reject me, please, don't reject me. I reach out for connection, but no one grabs my hand. Oh, I feel like I'm outcast.
Good morning. How is your brother? Is he back home the hospital?
Yes, he's fine, sir. He's back. He's inside.
Mama, please prepare your fish stew for my guest and I. Okay? Sorry, did you see something?
No, sir.
Good. Get on with it.
Who's she?
She's there. She's there.
Oh, thank you.
I'll find my place in this world and finally feel the love. I'm tired of feeling unwanted, like I'm not enough, like I'm haunted.
So I'm getting you to get a shower. Two? What are you doing?
I don't even understand why he changes women like
Like he changes his socks.
Exactly. It's so disrespectful to them and to himself.
So what is the woman chasing him because of his money?
Can't make you fall get bounce.
What?
Women are not cheap.
Just look at you, Chike. You think you can mess with me? No. I've heard so much how you treat girls like rag. And you think you can do that to me? Hell no. Idiot.
What really happened now?
No, Peter, no. He left his phone at home. I don't even know where he went to. Okay, sure, I will. What happened? Like, you got me worried. Are you okay?
Hey, calm down. Look, there's something that I need to tell you. Just come with me. Look, Ma, I cannot fall in love. I can't.
Because of Kendra. You mentioned that the other night.
Kendra is my ex-wife. Do you ever wonder why I scoff at the word love and kindness? See, just like you, I used to believe that the world is filled of unicorns and rainbows.
Happy birthday,
sir.
Okay.
So I baked birthday boy cake.
I can see that.
Just make a wish.
The two of us.
I should make a wish.
Yeah.
Wish done.
Come on, don't be like that.
I should tell you what I wished for.
Yes.
Well, a magician never reveals his secret.
Please, just...
Okay. Since you insist, I wished for a child. And I want you to be the surrogate. I will pay you handsomely for it.
You're so unbelievable. Wait, do you really think you can buy everyone and anything with your money? Even human life.
Look, I'll pay you 20 million.
It's all my fault. I think you can change.
Look, if you can convince her, the 20 million for both of you. Okay?
You say? 20 million?
Yes.
It's done.
Ma, are you going to continue to ignore me?
With all due respect, sir, you're my boss and not my friend. If there is anything else you want me to do for you, just let me know before I leave.
Please sit.
I cannot. I have a lot to do in the kitchen.
Ma, I'm your boss. I don't think you're in a position to refuse me.
You cannot force me to do anything, sir.
I'm not forcing you. I'm asking you. I'm begging, in fact. Please, sit.
Okay. Let's just say I accept. What will happen to the child?
I'll pay you off. You will have no commitment to the child whatsoever.
Do you realize how selfish you sound? Wait, you want to deprive your own child, your own seed, the chance to be loved and nurtured by a mother, just because you can't get over your own demons? Sir, having a baby and raising it alone is not what just one person can do. You need to let go of your past and learn to love and be loved.
It's not that simple, Ma. You don't know what I've passed through. I simply cannot love anyone.
What if the baby is a girl?
What's going on? I thought we had a deal. You said you'll convince your sister to be my surrogate.
Okay, I've been trying. But you see, my sister is very stubborn. It's not my fault. I'm trying.
You know what? I'll give you 500,000 naira so you know how serious I am. Yes.
500,000? You don't have to worry about anything. See, I'll handle everything. Trust me.
Alright.
I'll handle everything.
Trust you.
After much thoughts, I have decided to accept your proposal.
Excellent. I'll have my lawyer draw up a contract.
I just hope I'm not making a mistake.
Come on, you're making the best decision of your life. And, Ma, thank you.
But on one condition.
Okay.
I want my money up front.
This is highly irregular.
For someone who has trust issues, you don't expect me to give you what you cannot give.
Of course. I would not expect anything less. I'll transfer the funds by the end of today.
Thank you.
Good. Great.
Hello there. Who's needing your help? Wow. He certainly has the time, doesn't he?
Excuse me. Who are you?
The name is Fred. She is the one right. Hello, brother.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, hello, brother. I just thought I should stop by to know how you're doing in your bachelor's pad. This is going to be very interesting. So, is your help is on that? Yeah. Get us something to drink. Thank you. uh,
Hello, Peter. Where are you? Abuja. Eh? With which money?
yeah. Shiki, we need to talk.
We have nothing to talk about.
Come on, don't be rude to me. And avoiding me. Am I your ex-wife? What have I done to deserve this?
Look, you can't just show up at my house whenever you want.
Oh, really? I'm your brother. I can show up anytime I want. So it is better you deal with it. Yeah.
Why don't you deal with your own life? And stop with this nonsense that you're doing.
Really? Really? Okay. Well, your new butler.
So the way that you're looking at her. Fred, stay away from her.
Huh? She's interesting. I'm with you always, brother. I'm with you always. I need to get some wine. What can I share with you?
You know you don't have to stress yourself, right? I've spoken to the agency. They're sending someone to help you with the chores.
You're perfectly capable of making lunch. Lunch, Chike. Stop acting like I'm made of glass.
All right. I can understand that. And yeah, I want to apologize for my brother's rude behavior. He can be a bit much.
What are you apologizing for? You should be grateful you have a brother that checks up on you.
Oh, wow. Well, wait till you get to know him.
You know, I survived you. Definitely, I will survive him. I can manage.
Ouch. That hurts.
Sorry. Let me just brush your lunch. Let me get my friend.
Okay. I'll just leave you, huh? Right.
Thank
It's time to try.
Are you sure it will work out?
Come on, Ma, we've been over this 1,000 times. Plus, my doctor friend is advising us. It will work out, okay? I trust him.
Okay.
Good.
What if the baby turns out to be your replica?
Okay. I can't possibly be that much of a terrible person, am I?
Have you met yourself?
Ouch.
Okay, it's fine.
Good.
Yeah, come in, the door is not locked.
Good day, Sir Fred. Sir Fred, I came to tell you that lunch is ready.
Really? Yeah. You know, I'd like to have you for a starter, right? Just you and me. What do you think?
Are you mad or are you trying to be mad? Which one?
Come on, baby. You're so blessed. Just you and me. Alright? So come. Damn! Damn! What are you trying to do? What?
What's going on in there? Fred! Fred, open this door! See, just go, okay, please? Just go! You whore! Just leave me alone! I said leave me alone! There's nothing to explain, just go, you whore! You whore! Leave me alone!
What have you done? What have you done, Fred? Both of you, pack your things and get out of my house. Look, I don't want to hear it, okay? There's nothing to apologize for. Just go.
Let me just explain my...
I don't want to hear it, okay? I don't want to hear anything you have to say. Never show your face at this door again, ever. I don't care. Are you trying to be a witch, or you're deliberately refusing to understand me? I don't want to see your face again.
You've been ignoring my calls.
And is it not obvious? I don't want to see you, Ma. Now just go before I forget that you're a lady.
Chike, we need to talk.
Talk about what? What do you have to say? What can you possibly say, Ma?
Chike, I am pregnant.
That's the number of the father of that thing you're carrying. Fred, right? Call him.
Chike, the baby is yours. I am very sure the baby is yours.
Out of your mind. Look, just go. Okay, just leave. Now.
Chike, please. Just... Chike.
I try to blend in. Oh no, but it's no use. I can't shake this feeling of being refused and used. I'm tired of feeling unwanted, like I'm not enough, like I'm haunted. The ghost of rejection is always near. I just want to be wanted, to feel like I belong here. Don't reject me. Please, don't reject me. I reach out for connection, but no one grabs my hand. Oh, I feel like an outcast.
How are you?
Ogini. What is it? What are you doing here? Haven't you caused me enough pain? What is it? Leave me alone.
Ma, I'm sorry, please. Ever since I know what I did was wrong. No, but I've had sleepless nights. I've been restless. I went with guilt. I'm sorry.
Yes. Yes, you cannot sleep. Even the Bible said there is no sleep for the wicked. Yes. Is that sleepless night that will kill you? Wait, you think buying me this rubbish will make me forgive you?
Ma, please. I beg you, please forgive me. Please. I've been overwhelmed with guilt. I can't sleep. Please. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
I dropped my tears in the ocean. Just maybe if you can find it, I'll forgive you. But before then, get out from my house.
Ma, please, I am sorry.
Get out.
I regret my actions. Please,
Leave
forgive
my house.
Ma, please. Ma,
Get out. Get out.
Please, please. Please, I'm sorry.
Idiot. Oh, Peter. Where have you been? I've been trying to reach you. Job. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just came to tell you that I'm back and I need to rest. I'm very tired.
It's fine, no problem.
I'll be in my room.
Peter, I'm talking to you. Give me my own share of the 20 million naira.
I've told you to calm down. I'll give you this money. I'm just having a little issue with my bank.
And that's what you've been saying every day. Peter, let's go to the bank.
Wait. There's no money.
What do you mean there is no money?
I used the money to place a bet. That's actually a business deal. I just lost it. But don't worry, see, I have a way that we're going to make the money back. Very simple. We'll sell the house and we'll recover the money. I have a buyer already.
Sell which house? Peter, you dare not. Peter, you dare not sell this house. Like, don't try me.
You dare not sell this
Don't
house.
you try me. Peter, they don't born you well. You want to do what?
Marcy, I am the man of this house. I am the man in this family. And it is my birthright. You should even be happy that I'm going to sell the house and give you a small share. In fact, I've sold the house already. Hello? Okay, just I'm coming. Just stop at that corner.
So do you really think buying me the whole world will make me forgive you?
Ma, please. You know, I'll sleep better knowing that I put a roof over your head. And if I didn't, someone else would have done it too. Please, Ma. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Please, forgive me.
Kneel down properly. Kneel down if you want to beg.
I will. I'm ready to do anything. Please. I'm sorry. I've already made such a big mistake. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Please. Please. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very sorry, Ma. Shike, please listen to me.
What do you want?
Please listen to me. Ma gave birth last night.
Congratulations, okay?
Shike, you shouldn't be congratulating me because the baby is not mine but yours.
Just stop it, Fred. I will not take responsibility for a baby that isn't mine. Do you understand?
Calm down. Shike, please. You know, Mama is such an amazing woman. How I wish I didn't rape her. I wish I...
Just get out.
That would have.
Just get out of my house.
Come on, please. Shike, calm down. Alright, I love Mama, but she loved you. She loves you so much. I rape her, but the child is not mine. The baby is not mine. You need to see this adorable baby. I wish I were his father.
Fred, I'm begging you. Get out of my house. Get out of my house now.
Shike, please, I am sorry. I am sterile after the accident that I had. I can't produce children. That's why I'm telling you, the baby is not mine but yours. The baby is not mine but yours. Please listen to me. I mean, it's time to go now. They are coming for me.
What do you mean?
Like I said, I'm ready to take full responsibilities of my actions. Please tell Mom I'm sorry. I just hope when I get out of jail, she'll forgive me. Please, Chike, from the depth of my heart, I'm sorry. Please. I'm very sorry, my brother. Please. I'm sorry. Please. 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 I'm very sorry.
Where are you going to?
I just came home.
So, Rachel, the one you sold?
Well, can I go inside and rest? I'm tired.
No. You lost the right to be here the moment you sold our home. You traded our memories, our beautiful memories for just a quick buck, Peter. And you think you can just waltz in here and act like nothing happened? You think I'll keep feeling your drums while you just sit back and let it overflow? Peter, you abandoned me when I needed you the most. I became a surrogate just for you. I sacrificed my body, my sanity for your dream business. But what did you do? You wasted it. You wasted my trust. You wasted every penny. You're very selfish. You are a selfish bastard. All you ever know is to take and take and take. You know what? I now have a family to take care of. Yes. So get out of my house. Get out! I am done. I am done being your everything. Get out.
Ma, we need to talk. Look, Fred, he told me everything. I am so sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry about what? For the insult or for abandoning your child?
Look, I know I messed up. Please, Ma, just give me a chance. Okay, let me fix this. Let me make this right.
What do you want to fix? For who? Me or your own child?
For both of you. You and my baby, you're both important to me. Please, just let me fix this. Please. If it takes the rest of my life, I will make this right. I swear it.
You know, Ma always has to be the understanding one. Yeah. You know, when we were young and Peter would always take my toys. My parents would always tell me to understand. And when they died, I endured so much. I sacrificed so much for Peter, and yet he squandered everything. I put him in apprenticeship, but as usual, he ended up in jail. Chike, I had to work for you to pay up his debts. I became your surrogate just to raise money for Peter's business. Yet, he squandered it. And as usual, I had to understand. Because it's me, Ma. The understanding and forgiving Ma. I am not done. Don't touch me. Your brother raped me. What did you do? You did nothing. Instead, you threw me out of your house.
Ma, I know I messed up. Okay, and I accept full responsibilities, but please, I can fix this.
Fix what?
Let me fix it.
No, you can tell me, what do you want to fix? I endured the insults, the backlash, the name calling, the society just because I'm carrying your own child. Peter came back empty. After squandering everything, all my sacrifices. I still had to understand. When he sold the only property our parent left for us. And just like him, you walk in here as if nothing happened. You know what? I am tired. I am tired of giving what I don't have. I am tired of giving and giving!
over. Listen to me, it's over now. Look at me, Ma, please. Let me be. Ma, let me take care of you. Let me love you and our baby the way that I know that both of you deserve to be loved. Please. Ma, please. I'll never leave you. I promise. It's over. It's over now. It's over now. It's over now.
I feel like an outcast. Come see your baby in a foreign land. Somebody help me. I try to make myself to be seen, but I fade into the background. Oh no, I'm screaming for attention. Oh, but there's no sound, no sound. I'm tired of feeling unwanted, like I'm not enough, like I'm haunted. The ghost of rejection is always near. I just want to be wanted, to feel like I belong here. Please, don't reject me. Please, don't reject me. No, I may feel unwanted now, but I know deep down that I have value.